Welcome to the YouTube channel Kabisar's Computer Gyan. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a software application which is provided by Microsoft Corporation for the purpose of performing word processing tasks. Here, the word processing means combination of a certain tasks like editing, printing, saving, retrieving, and so on. Here, editing, retrieving, printing, saving are all used for the purpose of creation of a different document. Editing means there are certain revision, certain correction, adding something, removing something are called editing. And printing means getting a hard copy by using a printer. And retrieving means suppose we store a file in a storage location. In future, if you need such files, then we can able to reopen those files. The combination of such editing, printing, retrieving, saving, and so on is called word processing. We can able to do such type of tasks by using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word software application is provided by Microsoft Corporation within a software package called Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office software package is provided by Microsoft Corporation, and we have to install Microsoft Office package into our computer to get such type of applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, etc. And now we are going to discuss about Microsoft Word. There are different process through which we can able to open Microsoft Word. Generally, we can able to open Microsoft Word by using Start menu, search bar, and run box. If we want to open Microsoft Word using run box, then press Windows key plus R from the keyboard and open run box. After opening run box, write WinWord and press OK to open Microsoft Word. Then click on blank document, and we will be able to see the whole screen of the Microsoft Word window. Now close the Microsoft Word window. Then take a look another process through which you can able to open Microsoft Word. Just click on the search bar that available on the taskbar. Then search for the word. Then click on the Word applications. Then click on the blank document. In this way, we can able to open Microsoft Word document. Now another process through which you can able to open Microsoft Word is the Start menu. Just click on the Start menu and scroll down to search for Microsoft Word. Under W, just click on the Word applications, then click on the blank document. In this way, we can able to open Microsoft Word. After opening Microsoft Word, take a look the screen of the Microsoft Word. Now, there are different parts of a Microsoft Word window. Those are, just take a look at the top bar of the screen. This is the top bar of the screen. The top horizontal bar of the screen. This is the top horizontal bar of the screen. Generally, this screen is known as title bar. This bar is known as title bar. Title bar of the word screen. Now, another bar appearing just below the title bar is tab bar. Just take a look at this bar. This bar is called tab bar. Generally, this bar is called as tab bar. And a tab bar contains different tabs like File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design tab, Layout tab, and etc. And such tab help us to perform different type of tasks within Microsoft Word document. Now, this bar that comes just below the tab bar is called ribbon, and ribbon is categorized into different group. Such ribbon is categorized into different group. Take a look. The, this home tab is categorized into 5 group, and the first group is called clipboard group. This group is called clipboard group. Clipboard group, and another group just comes after the clipboard group is font group. Font group. Likewise, there is another group called paragraph group. Next one is styles group, and another one is editing group. The ribbon that comes under home tab is categorized into 5 groups. They are clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. If you take a look at the insert tab, then such insert tab is also categorized into different group. Take a look at the insert, and such insert is also categorized into different group. One is pages group, Another one is table group. Next one is illustrations group, add-ins group, media group, links group, comment group, and so on. Header and footer group, text group, symbols group. These are the basic groups comes under insert tab. Another tabs are also has different ribbon, and those ribbons are also categorized into different groups. First of all, I am going to discuss about another parts of the document. Take a look. The scale type bar that appears just below the ribbon is called a ruler. Is called a ruler. Then just below the ruler we will get a working area. Such area is known as a working area. Here we will do all the tasks that we need. Then at the bottom of the word window we will get a status bar. This is called a status bar. Status bar will display the status of the pages. That means how many pages are created and we are in the page number. Then how many words are written, what type of a language generally we use to currently, and different page views. Page views are one is read mode. Read mode. Another one is print layout mode. Print layout mode or a view. And this is the web layout view. Web layout view. These are the basic view. And final, this is the zoom bar. This is called zoom bar. This portion only used for the purpose of viewing purposes. We can able to view how many pages are created within our document, how many words are written within our document, what are the basic language generally we use to in our document. And in the preview, the view of the different document, here is the read mode. On the read mode, if you select read mode, then it will minimize all the tabs and ribbon, and we can able to display the content of the window in full screen mode. Just take a look. If we select read mode, then it will minimize all the tabs and ribbon like you are looking at the screen. Then just click on the print layout mode. It will back all the tabs and ribbons into our screen. And web layout view will display our content of the window as it is displayed on a web screen. Now the next bar is zoom bar. Zoom bar will allow us to zoom in and zoom our document. Then you can able to just click on the minus button, and if you want to zoom in, then click on the plus button. By using plus and minus, we can able to zoom in and zoom out our document. Another process through which we can able to zoom in and zoom out is the view tab. Just click on the view tab and use the zoom group. Under the zoom group, just take a look at the zoom group. Here is a zoom button. Another one is 100%. Another one is 1 page, 2 page, and a fit to the screen. That means 100% white. In this way, by using such group, we can able to zoom in and zoom out our document. Then the last process through which we can able to zoom in and zoom out our screen is the control plus scroll. By using control key from the keyboard and the scroll button from the mouse, and the combination of both control and scroll is helping us to zoom in and zoom out our screen. These are the basic process through which we can able to control the zoom in and zoom out. There are the different tabs that we learned from the screen. Now I am going to discuss about the home tab. Home tab has a 5 group. Those are clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, and editing group. On the next class, we will learn about all the menus and tabs. Those are available on the Microsoft Word.